Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove video flickers in CapCut PC. I don't know if this video has any flickers or not, but this is just an example of where to find the feature. It is a pro feature, so keep that in mind. Go to basic, and if you scroll down you're going to select the removing video flickers. It is a pro feature. Select it. There's mode flashlight or time lapse, and you can select the recommended level, weaker, stronger, or the recommended one. And this is what it should look like. There's not really much flash. There's not a lot of flashing in this video, so I don't think it will detect it as a flicker. But yeah, that is pretty much where you can remove video flickers in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!